Guys, how are you, my beautiful amazing people? Today we are going to do some KFC homemade chicken, and before we get to the video, guys, kindly hit that subscribe button and let's get to the video. To be using 1 kg of chicken, salt, ginger, garlic, paprika, black pepper, dark soy sauce, of which it's optional, some eggs, breadcrumbs, and flour, all-purpose flour, salt, some ginger, some garlic, paprika, some black pepper, then add some dark soy sauce, of which is optional. Then you mix it together. Add some black pepper to your eggs and some salt to taste. Some salt. Mix it together.